This is all donated from people in the community.
This has all been donated from people in the community and surrounding communities.
As the Jennings Creek wildfire continues to threaten communities near Greenwood Lake, local residents are stepping up to support firefighters and evacuees.
Yeah, this is all electrolyte stuff.
Christine Persico, a resident of Monroe, has been dropping off energy drinks at a community center to help those affected by the fire. She expressed her concern for the first responders and evacuees.
I felt like I was having panic attacks because I worried about the lives of the first responders and the people that got evacuated, and it's hard.
The situation has been emotionally challenging for Persico, even though she's not directly in the affected area.
It was tough, and I'm not there, so I can just imagine what everyone's going through.
The wildfire, which breached a containment line in Warwick, has led to voluntary evacuation orders for residents in the area. An evacuation site has been set up at Greenwood Lake Middle School to accommodate those displaced by the fire. Like Persico, other residents who live in the area expressed their concern.
Over time, breathing all the smoke in, it definitely takes a toll on you.
Supposedly, he said they have it under control. But how much of it's under control, I don't know.
Now, the National Guard will be loading water tanks and conducting water drops throughout the area for the next few days, all of this to put out the blaze.
We're burning off the pre-existing control lines. So large columns of smoke that you're seeing is actually stuff that we're putting on the ground.
Fire crews are using strategic burning techniques to manage the wildfire. This controlled burning method allows fire crews to put fire down on the ground on their own terms, creating a barrier to help contain it. Mayor Tom Howley of Greenwood Lakes notes that the community is close and consistently rallies together when faced with difficulties like this.
That's what we do. We're small, we're tight-knit, and we'll get through this.
You have snacks, high protein bars, stuff that's high in carbs to keep the fuel up for the firefighters.
And as firefighters continue to battle the blaze, residents like Persico are doing what they can to support the efforts and provide comfort to those affected by this ongoing crisis.
This is going to be something that this community is going to remember for a long time.
In Greenwood Lakes, Corey McGinnis, Pix 11 News.